So, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I was thinking of doing something different. I'm working on my 1978 Ford Bronco. It's called the Beast because it is a beast to drive and it's really fun. There's a bunch of missing parts in the car. It's finally driving. It took me about 6 hours and $25 to fix it. It was either that or paying $1,000 for someone to do the same thing. So no, I'm gonna try to fix it. I have no clue how to change the latch for the door. I don't know if you guys know, but Broncos, if you're familiar with it, the latch is in the inside of the car, like right here. You guys can see it. This thing is not working. It's missing parts. I do have some parts. Let me show you. Got him. I have everything I need for the Bronco right here. I'm missing this part. It's called the latch. I'm gonna install this thing. I'm also gonna install, replace this whole part. This is what is missing, like for the door handle, and it has this bar, which I'm assuming is for the window. I have no clue how to install this, but we'll figure it out. So yeah, I don't know, if you have the chance, do something with your hands. It's kind of rewarding, and I'm gonna walk you through that. This is a really weird angle. This is the interior of the door. As you guys can see, I have beautiful foam in here and insulation stuff and stuff that you get at Home Depot. So I'm gonna take this out, try to fix it, put it back together. And this is the interior of a door of a Bronco. If you guys have never seen, old cars used to be like this. They do not have the automatic button that the guy at Whole Foods tell you, hey, can you open the trunk? Doesn't come with it. So let's go ahead. I also have to fix the window. Okay, check this out. What it is this piece has two holes. The right side, or to my right from the door, goes through this hole, so I have to remove the yellow pins that it comes with. And then the other one goes here at the bottom. This third one is for the window. This is what latches the window. And this piece is what opens everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to get one of the rods through here, latch it in here, I guess.
That's when I realized something was wrong. If you want to see all my hopes and dreams go down the pipeline, well, keep watching. If you want to skip to me coming triumphant, well, check the market below.
I have an opening like this big. I've been cutting this for about 20 minutes. We're halfway there.
Sweet redemption, I will never let you down. Will it ever get sunny? Oh,
I have to take everything apart again. I messed up. Okay, left rod, top side, right rod, bottom side. I was thinking about a video for this week. I have a homework that I'm working on, which is creating a script for a scene of a movie. It's a continuity exercise, and I was thinking of showing you how to do storyboards. I hope to have it out by next week. If not, well, we'll figure it out. I found a way to make storyboards in Photoshop, at least to make it look a little bit more pro. You see this little piece right here, this little sucker, I'm missing it. It is $10 if I buy it from Ford, but instead of that, I call in Fender. Ta-tan! 1958 Telecaster knob. So I used to play guitar, so I'm going to install a guitar knob in here. Ta-tan! Boop, 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 boop. It works for the windshield wipers. I need to pass inspection next month. Well, Monday. So, dude, this is freaking awesome. I have a Fender Telecaster knob. I'm going to replace everything for Fender parts. I used to love Telecasters. I used to play a lot of them. Don't play them anymore. I don't have one anymore. Life is unfair. I guess I'm going to buy more. eventually. I don't have no money. Ha! Okay, see you guys. Love you. Peace. Bye.